3y equals 9. I'm going to label this equation as equation number 1 and this equation as equation number 2. Okay, now from here, I'm going to use equation number 1 from equation 1, which is x minus 2y equals 5. I can simply get I need to get rid of this 2y from the left hand side. So how do I get rid of this 2y from left hand side? I have to move it to the right. So since 2y has a negative sign with it, so I'm going to adding 2y on both sides of the equation. So our equation is x minus 2y is equals to 5. If I add 2y on both sides of the equation plus 2y and 5 plus 2y, since I have added 2y on left hand side, I have to add 2y on right hand side to make the equation balance. Now minus 2y and plus 2y would cancel out and I'll be left with x is equals to 5 plus 2y. Now let us call this as equation 3. Okay, now I'm going to use this equation x equals 5 plus 2y, and I'm going to substitute this value of x in equation number 2. So wherever there is x, I will replace it with 5 plus 2y. So the whole equation would be in form of y, and from there we are going to find the value of y. Now let us now substitute equation 1, x equals 5 plus 2y in equation 2. So equation number 2 is four x plus 3y equals 9. Now since I am substituting x with 5 plus 2y, so in place of x 4 times, in place of x I'm going to write 5 plus 2y plus 3y equals 9. Now using distributive property, 4 times 5 is 20 plus 4 times 2 is 8y plus 3y equals 9. Now let us combine the like terms together. 8y plus 3y equals 9, and I'm gonna move this constant term from left hand side to right hand side, and it would become, since 20 has a positive sign, when I move it to the right hand side it would become minus 20. Now 8 plus 3 is 11y equals 9 minus 20 is negative 11. Now we have this equation, my 11y equals minus 11. Now I want to get rid of this 11, this coefficient 11 with the variable y, since I need to find the value of variable y. So how am I going to do it? I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 11. So 11 times 1 is 11, 11 times 1 is 11. So therefore the value of y equals minus 1. This is the value of y. Now I'm going to substitute the value of y equals minus 1 in equation number 3. Let us substitute the value of variable y equals minus 1. Substituting y equals minus 1 in equation 3. which is x equals 5 plus 2. Instead of y, I'm going to write minus 1. Why? Because the value of y equals minus 1. So x equals 5 plus 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. X equals 5 minus 2 is 3. So the value of x is 3 and the value of y is minus 1. So our solution is 3 comma minus 1, or we can write it like this: x equals 3 and y equals minus 1. So this is the point of intersection at which both the lines x minus 2y equals 5 and the other line is 4x plus 3y equals 9. Both these lines are meeting at this point, this specific point with the coordinates 3 comma minus 1. This is the solution for these two equations at which both the lines are meeting. Now let us look at one more example